just left. Wow, this thing's huge. This is the elevator at the Capitol Hotel, downtown Little Rock, Arkansas. We have this huge, I mean abnormally large elevator. Look at this. This thing's interesting. Wow. It may not look like anything on the outside, but once you step in, wow. It's even got a bench. £10,000 capacity, holy crap. There's the certificate. Wow, this thing is insane. For such a historic hotel too. I can't see a sign of brand anywhere, so I'm not sure who installed this. Well, here we are.